How many unread email do you have right now? If the answer is way too many, or your inbox just feel like a complete mess, this episode is going to fix that. Today on the Planet Tech, we are covering Microsoft Outlook. Not just how to send an email, but how to actually take control of your inbox, your calendar, and your daily communication. Let's get into it. Alright, this is Outlook. You can use it on the web at outlook.office.com or as a desktop app. Both looks and works almost identical. So follow along whichever version you have. A short note. There are few subscriptions which does not support Outlook desktop app. Let me give you a quick layout tour before we do anything else. On the left side, your folder panel. Inbox, sent items, draft, delete items, all your standard folders live here. You can also create your own custom folder. We'll do that shortly. In the middle, your email list. Every email in the folder will be appearing over here. On the right side, the reading pane. Click on the any email and it previews right here without opening a new window. Much faster. At the very top, your search bar. More powerful than most people use it. You can search any sender, subject line, date, or even word written inside the email body. And on the far left side bar, icons of mail, calendar, people, task. Now, two quick settings to fix before anything else. Go to the settings, search for reading pane. Make sure it is set to show on the right and search for conversation view. Turn this on. It groups all the replies in the thread together instead of showing them as separate emails. Much cleaner. Sending and replying to emails sounds simple, but there are few things here that most people get wrong. Click new email to compose. You got your to CC BCC field. Really quick, CC means you're keeping someone informed, BCC means you are including someone silently and the other recipients cannot see them. Use BCC for mass emails or when you want to loop someone discreetly. Now, while you're writing, look at the formatting toolbar. Bold, italic, bullet points, and tables are all there. But here's a feature most people completely miss. The mentioning feature. Type the @ symbol anywhere in the email body and start typing the colleague's name. Outlook will suggest them. Their name gets highlighted in blue and they receive a special notification drawing their attention to that specific email. Perfect when you are writing to a group but need one person to take action. Now, for reply versus reply all. Only hit reply all when every single person in the thread actually needs to see your response. Unnecessary reply all is one of the most common office email habits that drives people crazy. One more thing, setting up your out of office. Go to the setting, search for automatic reply, toggle it on, set your start and end date, writing your message. You can even set a different message for people inside your company versus people emailing from your outside. Hit save and Outlook handles everything automatically while you are away. Now, this is where things get really useful. Let's clean up that inbox. Step 1. Create a folder. Right click on your inbox. In the left panel, select Create New Folder. Name it by project, client, team, whatever makes sense for your work. Then drag emails into them. Simple but effective. Right click on emails, go to categorize. You can color code your emails: red for urgent, blue for specific project, green for things you are waiting. This will give you a visual system at a glance without having to move mails around. Inbox rule. Go to settings, search rules, select add new rule. Here's a practical example. Every newsletter, every automated notification, every email from specific sender, you can make a rule that automatically moves it to a folder and skips your inbox entirely. You set it once, Outlook runs it forever automatically. You can build rules based on the sender's address, keywords in the subject line, who the email was addressed to, and more. This single feature alone will cut your inbox stress significantly. I highly recommend spending 10 minutes setting up a few rules after watching this video. Focused inbox. Go to view and toggle on focused inbox, or you can turn it off according to your need. Outlook will start learning which emails are important to you and separate them from the rest. Important emails go to the focused, everything else goes to the others. You stay on the top of what matters, but sometimes important mails can get missed and go to the other folder. Do the changes according to your need. And that is Outlook Basic, the way it's actually meant to be used. Getting around the layout, composing emails properly, using the mention feature, out of office, inbox rules, categories, focused inbox, these are the things most of your colleagues aren't doing. Now you are. But we are not done with the Outlook yet. In the next episode, Outlook Advanced, we are going into email forwarding, delegate access, and group creation. If you work in the team or managing shared mailbox, this episode is essential. Like this video if this helped, subscribe to the Planet Tech so you don't miss the next one, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in there.